Hey everyone, welcome back to Nest Egg. Nation, let me ask you something real. Quick, does your employer offer a 401k plan? If the answer is yes and you are not using it, you are literally leaving. Free money on the table every single paycheck. And I mean that literally. Free money. Today, I am going to break down everything you need to know about the 401k in the simplest way possible, what it is, how it works, how much you should contribute, and the one mistake that costs most Americans thousands of dollars every single year. By the end of this video, you will understand your 401k better than most people who have been contributing to one for years. This is the complete beginner's guide to the 401k for 2026. Let's get into it. So what exactly is a 401k? Let me explain it in a way that actually makes sense. A 401k is a retirement savings account that your employer sets up for you. The name comes from Section 401k of the IRS tax code, not the most exciting name, but trust me, the benefits are incredible. Here is how it works. Every paycheck, a portion of your salary goes directly into your 401k account before you even see it. That money is then invested in stocks, bonds, and mutual funds that grow over time. The beautiful part is that the money going in is pre-tax, meaning if you earn $5,000 a month and contribute $500 to your 401k, you only pay income tax on $4,500. You get a tax break today on every single dollar you contribute, and that money grows, completely tax deferred until you retire. The government does not touch it until you take it out at retirement. That is the power of the 401k in a nutshell. Now here is the part that makes the 401k absolutely incredible. The employer match. Many American employers will actually match a percentage of what you contribute to your 401k. This is literally free money that your company gives you just for saving for retirement. Here is a common example. Your employer offers a 100% match on up to 3% of your salary. So if you earn $60,000 a year and contribute 3%, that is $1,800 from you. Your employer then adds another $1,800 for free. That is an instant 100% return on your investment before the market even does anything. No stock, no investment, no savings account in the world gives you an instant 100% return if your employer offers a match and you are not contributing at least enough to get the full match. You are turning down part of your salary. The very first step with any 401k is always contribute at least enough to get every single dollar of your employer match. Always. No exceptions. All right, so now you are ready to start contributing, but how much should you put in? Here is the simple framework I recommend for everyone. Step 1, always contribute at least enough to get your full employer match. If your company matches up to 3%, contribute at least 3%. This is non-negotiable free money. Step 2, for 2026, the EARS allows you to contribute up to $23,500 per year to your 401k. If you are age 50 or older, you get an extra $7,500 catch-up contribution. Step 3, if you can afford it, try to work up to contributing 15% of your income. Over time, you do not have to start at 15%. Start with whatever you can
afford, even 3%, and increase it by 1% every 6 months. You will barely feel it, but the impact on your retirement will be absolutely Massive. Remember, every dollar you contribute today saves you money on taxes right now and builds serious wealth for your future.
Once your money is in your 401k, you need to actually invest it. This is the step most people completely ignore, and it costs them a fortune. If you do not choose your investments, your money just sits in cash, losing value to inflation every single year. Most 401k plans offer a menu of investment options including mutual funds, index funds, target date funds, and sometimes company stock. For most beginners, I
recommend one of two simple strategies. Option 1, choose a target date fund that matches your expected retirement year. For example, if you plan to retire in 2045, choose the 2045 target date fund. It automatically adjusts your investments as you get closer to retirement. Simple, hands-off, effective. Option 2, choose a low-cost S&P 500 index fund inside your 401k. This gives you exposure to the 500 largest American companies and has historically returned around 10% per year over the long term. The most important thing is to keep your investment fees low. Always check the expense ratio of any fund you choose. Anything under 0.20% is excellent. Anything over 1% is too expensive. Now, many employers also offer something called a Roth 401k alongside the traditional 401k. What is the difference, and which one should you choose? The traditional 401k uses pre-tax money. You get a tax break now but pay taxes when you withdraw in retirement. The Roth 401k uses after-tax money. No tax break today, but everything comes out completely tax-free in retirement. Sound familiar? Yes, it is very similar to the difference between a traditional IRA and a Roth IRA that we covered in last week's video. The general rule is this: if you are young and in a lower tax bracket right now, the Roth 401k is usually the better choice because you pay a small tax today and avoid a much bigger tax bill on your much larger retirement balance later. If you are older and in a higher tax bracket, the traditional 401k tax break today might make more sense. Many financial experts actually recommend splitting your contributions between both if your employer offers it, giving you tax diversification in retirement. The bottom line, either option is infinitely better than not contributing at all. Let me save you from the foremost expensive 401k mistakes people make. Mistake number 1, not contributing enough to get the full employer match. This is the single most costly mistake. If your company matches up to 3% and you only contribute 2%, you are leaving free money behind every single paycheck. Always get the full match. Always. Mistake number 2,
cashing out your 401k when you change jobs. This is a financial disaster. You will pay income taxes on the entire amount plus a 10% early withdrawal penalty on a $50,000 401k. That could mean losing $15,000 or more in one day. When you change jobs, always roll your 401k into your new employer's plan or into an IRA. Never cash it out. Mistake
number 3, being too conservative with your investments when you are young. If you are under 40 years old, your 401k should be heavily invested in stocks, not bonds. You have decades for the market to recover from any downturns. Time is your greatest asset. Mistake number 4, forgetting to increase your contributions when you get a raise. Every time your salary goes up, increase your 401k contribution percentage. You will never even miss the money in your retirement account will grow dramatically. Faster. All right, friends, here is your simple 401k action plan starting today. Step 1. Log into your employee benefits portal today and check if your employer offers a 401k. If they do, enroll immediately. Step 2. Contribute at least enough to get your full employer match. If you do not know your match percentage, ask your HR department today. Step 3. Choose a simple low-cost index fund or target date fund inside your 401k. Do not let your money sit in cash. Step 4. Set it to automatically. Increase your contribution by 1% every 6 months. Most plans have an auto-escalation feature. Turn it on right now. Step 5. Never touch it. Do not cash it out when you change jobs. Roll it over. Let it compound for decades. The 401k is genuinely one of the most powerful wealth-building tools available to everyday Americans. Combined with the Roth IRA we covered last week, you now have a complete retirement strategy that will build serious wealth over time. If this video helped you, please drop a like, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and subscribe to Nest Egg Nation for a new money video every single Saturday. I will see you next week. Take care and go build that wealth. And remember, friends, this video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Please consult a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Please consult a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Investing involves risk, and you should always do your own research before taking any action.